In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see recent orders on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app to find your most up-to-date purchases and confirm what's been completed. Start by opening your TikTok account. Launch the app and make sure you're signed into the account you used to place your orders. If you use more than one account, a quick glance at your profile can save you time later. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date app will also help everything load smoothly. From the main screen, head to Shop. Depending on your app version and region, you'll typically see a shop icon or label along the bottom navigation or within your profile area. Tap Shop to enter TikTok's shopping space. This is where all your browsing, carts and purchases are tied together. Inside Shop, look for Orders. This section is your order hub, and it's where TikTok organizes everything you've bought through TikTok Shop. Open Orders, and you'll see your purchase history listed in a clear timeline. TikTok generally displays the most recent activity first, so new orders and updates appear at the top, with older ones further down. Within the Orders page, you'll notice that your purchases are grouped by their status. You might see areas that indicate items awaiting payment, items being prepared, shipments in transit, and a dedicated place for everything that's finished. This is helpful when you want to focus on what's complete versus what's still on the way. For recent orders that have been fully processed, the completed area is where you can view them all together. Your most recently completed orders appear first, so a quick scroll gives you a clear picture of what just wrapped up. Each order entry includes key information such as the store name, items, order date, and delivery status. You can quickly confirm that an order is finished and note when it was completed. If something you expect to see isn't showing up yet, it may still be updating, especially right after delivery. Also consider whether you placed the order from a different account or if the seller is still finalizing the status on their end. That's all there is to it. Open your TikTok account, tap Shop, go to Orders, and that's where you can see all your completed orders with the most recent ones right on top. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep track of your TikTok Shop purchases with confidence.